So today, we're gonna clean up the headlights.
The other day I was at the parts store and this was on sale for like $6. Seems pretty easy. It says in just minutes. So this might not take very long. Basically just polish it down and then we'll put the protectant on it.
Alright, here's the before, and here's the after. Look at that. It looks so much better. Front end is looking pretty good. My buddy Blake actually gave me the idea of using a blowtorch to clean up the black plastics. I did that about a month or so ago, so I'll throw some clips in here of that. Pretty unconventional method of fixing it, but so far it's worked out pretty good, so thanks, Blake. All in all, I probably spent $11 on cleaning up the headlights and the bumpers, all the other plastics around the car. We'll see how long it lasts.